Bevel, I'm coming for you. Take your soul away. Take everything away. You think you got it all figured out? What you got? You ain't talking about anything. You can't rap out of your mouth. What you got, son? Nothing. I'm taking over your soul. What do you expect from me? I'm taking everything. You cannot dislike me. I am dissing you in a song. This is me taking a puff of the motherfucking bong. Yeah, deep inside the demons cry. That's what they do inside me when I lie. Don't never like it? Here, kiss my ass. Why don't you shave your head, Bevel? Come on, just come back. Come back to the dark side. This is where you belong. The devil's asking for your name. Come on, let's be flung together, just like a brother. But I can't, because you know I love you, cause I want your soul too. What you got? Nothing. I'm taking over everything you got. I ain't taking everything you got. This is me trying to speak through the mic, trying to speak through you, trying to get in your head, but you're gonna be dead before I even get to reach to you. Come on, son, you got nothing on me. You got nothing on me. You got nothing on me. Yeah, this is the Diva song. Bevel, I'm coming for you. This is demonic shit. Keep the beat flowing.